There is a morning at Livorno when a yacht stops being a drawing and starts becoming a home. This week, the hull and superstructure of a new full custom from Benetti arrived at the shipyard with her main structures complete, and the builder confirmed she has entered outfitting. She is 80 meters long, and in the sheds they call her Project Ironman. Structural completion is the moment worth enjoying. The steel is closed and the shape is settled, so from here she fills up with everything you will actually touch. Systems, joinery, glass, and the finish under your hand. This is the point where a hull becomes a place to live. She stands deck upon deck on a steel hull, and a single studio drew all of her. Cassetta Yacht Designers holds the exterior and the interior together, which is rarer than it sounds at this size because owners so often split the two. When one eye carries the profile and the rooms, nothing aboard argues with anything else. You feel that before you can name it. Look along her and a plumb bow runs clean at the front, while the stern slopes away gently toward the water. Alfresco dining and lounging are stacked through her decks, so wherever you stand in the evening, there is a table beside you and open sky above you. All of that came from a brief, and the brief came from a family. They asked for large outdoor entertaining areas. They asked for a yacht that holds several generations at the same time. And they asked that inside and outside should run together rather than sit in separate zones. You open a door aboard her and you are not really leaving a room. The living simply moves out into the light. The owner knows exactly what he wants because he is building his second Benetti while he is still using his first. The brokerage described the brief as recreating, at far greater scale, the environments his family already use aboard the boat they have today. That is an unusually clear place to begin a full custom, and you can read it in every meter of open deck. Giorgio Cassetta put the commission in the warmest possible terms. He said his studio was honored to create a new and beautiful design for a client who had shown them his love since their very first meeting. Yachts that begin as friendships tend to arrive as happy yachts. Project Ironman belongs to the side of the yard that builds one hull at a time. Above her in the range stand the giants, Luminosity, IJE, and Lana. Below her run the series yachts a buyer takes from a slot. She is neither of those. She is one family's boat, drawn around the way they already live. The delivery date has not moved since the sale was announced. Between now and then, the glass goes in, the joinery arrives from workshops that began building it years ago, and Tuscany quietly finishes a yacht that started as a conversation. Then the doors roll back, the water is ready, and a family steps aboard a yacht drawn entirely around them. Deck after deck of open air, sun on every one of them, and a whole life to live out there.